The First War of Indian Independence is also known as A. Sepoy Mutiny, B. Revolt of 1857, C. Jallianwala Bagh Massacre, D. Battle of Plassey. Answer B. Revolt of 1857. The Revolt of 1857 is often called the First War of Indian Independence, as it marked a major challenge to British colonial rule. Who led the Revolt of 1857 in Kanpur? A. Mangal Pandey, B. Nana Sahib, C. Rani Lakshmibai, D. Bahadur Shah Zafar. Answer B. Nana Sahib. Nana Sahib, a key leader in the 1857 revolt, led the uprising in Kanpur. Who was the last Mughal emperor involved in the revolt of 1857? A. Akbar II, B. Aurangzeb, C. Bahadur Shah Zafar, D. Shah Alam II. Answer C. Bahadur Shah Zafar. Bahadur Shah Zafar was the symbolic leader of the 1857 revolt, though his role was largely passive. The Chua rebellion took place in which part of India? A. Bihar, B. Bengal, C. Orissa, D. Punjab. Answer B. Bengal. The Chua rebellion was a series of uprisings by the peasants and local tribal leaders in Bengal against British exploitation. Which tribal leader was associated with the Santhal rebellion, 1855–1856? A. Sidhu Kanhu, B. Birsa Munda, C. Tantia Bhil, D. Tilka Manjhi. Answer A. Sidhu Kanhu. Sidhu and Kanhu were the key leaders who led the Santhal rebellion against British oppression in Bengal. The Indigo Rebellion of 1859–1860 was against A. British rule, B. High taxes on indigo, C. Forced indigo cultivation, D. Religious persecution. Answer C. Forced indigo cultivation. The Indigo Rebellion was triggered by the British forcing farmers to cultivate indigo, which had harsh economic consequences. Who was the leader of the Wahhabi movement? A. Shah Waliullah, B. Syed Ahmad Barelvi, C. Shah Abdul Aziz, D. Haji Shariatullah. Answer B. Syed Ahmad Barelvi. The Wahhabi movement, a revivalist movement in India, was led by Syed Ahmad Barelvi. The Kaur rebellion took place in A. 1831, B. 1845, C. 1857, D. 1901. Answer A. 1831. The Kaur rebellion of 1831 was a tribal revolt in Jharkhand against the British and their policies. Which of the following revolts occurred in 1920 in the Malabar region? A. Mopla rebellion, B. Sannyasi rebellion, C. Kukka movement, D. Ramosi rebellion. Answer A. Mopla rebellion. The Mopla rebellion of 1920 was a peasant uprising against the landlords and British colonial rule in Kerala. The Farisi movement was led by A. Haji Shariatullah, B. Dudu Mia, C. Syed Ahmad Khan, D. Titu Mir. Answer A. Haji Shariatullah. Haji Shariatullah led the Farisi movement in Bengal, aimed at socio-religious reforms and opposing British rule. The Vellore Mutiny occurred in which year? A. 1801, B. 1806, C. 1810, D. 1825. Answer B. 1806. The Vellore Mutiny was one of the earliest rebellions against British rule in India, occurring in 1806. The Ramosi uprising was led by A. Vasudev Balwant Phadke, B. Nana Sahib, C. Tantia Tope, D. Raghoba Pindle. Answer A. Vasudev Balwant Phadke. The Ramosi uprising in Maharashtra was led by Vasudev Balwant Phadke in protest against British policies. The Sannyasi rebellion was depicted in which famous novel? A. Gora, B. Anandamath, C. Durgesh Nandini, D. Raj Mohan's wife. Answer B. Anandamath. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee's novel, Anandamath, depicted the Sannyasi rebellion, a revolt against British oppression in Bengal. The Kukka rebellion took place in A. Punjab, B. Bengal, C. Gujarat, D. Assam. Answer A. Punjab. The Kukka rebellion, led by the Namdhari Sikhs, was a revolt against British rule in Punjab during the late 19th century. The Tebhaga movement was related to A. Peasants' rights, B. Tribal independence, C. Religious reform. D. Military revolt. Answer. A. Peasants' rights. The Tebhaga movement in Bengal was led by peasants demanding 2/3 of the produce instead of half, from the landlords. The Poligar rebellion was centered in which region? A. Tamil Nadu. B. Bihar. C. Orissa. D. Gujarat. Answer. A. Tamil Nadu. The Poligar rebellions were a series of uprisings in Tamil Nadu against British control over local feudal chiefs. Who led the revolt of 1857 in Jhansi? A. Nana Sahib. B. Tantia Tope. C. Rani Lakshmibai. D. Kumwar Singh. Answer. C. Rani Lakshmibai. Rani Lakshmibai of Jhansi was one of the prominent leaders of the 1857 revolt. The Pakka rebellion took place in A. Bengal. B. Orissa. C. Rajasthan. D. Gujarat. Answer. B. Orissa. The Pakka rebellion of 1817 in Orissa was an early resistance against British rule. The Kukka movement is also known as A. Bhil movement. B. Namdhari movement. C. Mopla movement. D. Vellore movement. Answer. B. Namdhari movement. The Kukka movement is another name for the Namdhari movement, which fought against British colonial policies. The Mopla rebellion took place in A. Kerala. B. Tamil Nadu. C. Karnataka. D. Andhra Pradesh. Answer. A. Kerala. The Mopla rebellion of 1920 was an uprising by Muslim peasants in Kerala against British rule and landlords. The Santhal rebellion was a revolt against A. British oppression. B. Zamindari system. C. Both A and B. D. None of the above. Answer. C. Both A and B. The Santhal rebellion was directed against both British colonial rule and the oppressive zamindari system. The revolt of 1857 started in which city? A. Meerut. B. Delhi. C. Lucknow. D. Kanpur. Answer. A. Meerut. The revolt began in Meerut on May 10, 1857, when Indian soldiers mutinied against their British officers. Who was the commander of the British forces during the siege of Delhi in 1857? A. Colin Campbell. B. John Nicholson. C. Hugh Rose. D. Charles Napier. Answer. B. John Nicholson. John Nicholson was a British commander during the siege of Delhi, one of the key battles of the 1857 revolt. Which British Governor-General was in office during the revolt of 1857? A. Lord Dalhousie. B. Lord Canning. C. Lord Curzon. D. Lord Hastings. Answer. B. Lord Canning. Lord Canning was the Governor-General of India during the revolt of 1857. The Rangpur Ding was a rebellion against A. High taxes. B. Forced labor. C. British land policies. D. Religious persecution. Answer. A. High taxes. The Rangpur Ding was a peasant revolt in Bengal against excessive taxation by the British East India Company. Who among the following was hanged for leading the 1857 revolt? A. Bahadur Shah Zafar. B. Nana Sahib. C. Mangal Pandey. D. Tatya Tope. Answer. C. Mangal Pandey. Mangal Pandey was an early leader of the revolt of 1857 and was hanged for his role in it. The Chittagong Armory raid was carried out by A. Subhas Chandra Bose. B. Bhagat Singh. C. Surya Sen. D. Chandrasekhar Azad. Answer. C. Surya Sen. Surya Sen led the Chittagong Armory raid in 1930, a major revolutionary event against British rule.